My Bookmarks is one of the customization options under My NavigateLA. It is accessed by clicking on the Advanced Options button while logged into your My NavigateLA account. It contains a list of all your saved bookmarks, which are used to save a specific map location and scale. To zoom to one, click on its name, and the map will zoom to the bookmarked location. If you have many bookmarks, you can use the filter box to find the one you need more easily. If you use a bookmark frequently, you can set it as your default by clicking on the gray check mark next to its name. It will turn green, and NavigateLA will automatically zoom to this extent every time you log into your account. To test it, you can refresh your page to see if it zooms to your new default location. Quick access to your bookmarks is also available through the Bookmarks Shortcut button, located on the top right corner of the NavigateLA window, along with two shortcut buttons for themes and projects. To remove a bookmark as your default, click on the green check mark so that it reverts back to gray. To permanently delete a bookmark, click on the red X next to its name. At this point, it should be mentioned that My Bookmarks only gives you access to your bookmarks, but does not allow you to create them. To create a bookmark, you must click on the blue return arrow and use the Save My Environment As option. This will be covered in the Save My Environment As video, so make sure to check it out. We've now covered the Bookmarks option in detail. If you need to review any of the My NavigateLA options, including My Bookmarks, click on the Help button on the top right corner of the Advanced Options panel to view a summary. We hope this video was helpful and informative. If you'd like to submit a comment or question, or report a problem, feel free to contact us at the email shown on the screen, eng.navsupt@lacity.org. Thanks for watching.